Guys, and welcome back to our channel, the Mauro. Thank you very much for following us, thank you very much for watching us. If you didn't subscribe yet, please do so, because it is really important for us. And after making all those pizzas and pasta and sandwiches, you know, all the savory products in the past, it's time to make something sweet, something cool. And one of the favorite things, you know, when I'm in Naples, around the Amalfi Coast, you know, is to eat Graffe. I love Graffe. It's fantastic. It's kind of like a Napolitan donut. You know, you can stuff it and fill it with Nutella, with pistachio cream, or just pastry cream. It's simple, easy. It's a street food. Buy it, eat it. Plenty of sugar, plenty of calories. And you're asking me if it's healthy? Hell no. Does it taste good? Hell yeah. Healthy? No. Good? Yes. So it's something that we need to eat. To cut the long story short, you know, we're not gonna use anything extra special in the dough. We're gonna utilize our pizza dough. The pizza dough what we're using, it's something that we made already in the past, so I'm just gonna walk you quickly through the recipe. The easiest way to make Graffe with 100% Polish. Yes, basic recipe for Polish, you already know, 1000 grams of flour, 1000 grams of water, 6 grams of fresh yeast, 5 grams of honey. Mix everything together, leave it at room temperature, 1 hour, 16 to 24 hours, refrigerated. Pops your uncle, straightforward. Then, refreshing, 450 flour. You can use the same flour. I would always say W marker 280 roughly. Alternatively, Caputo Nuvola, fantastic, great product for it. Then 2 grams of fresh yeast, 43.5 grams of sea salt, fine sea salt, not iodized as I always say, and 20 grams of extra virgin olive oil. Then make the dough, leave it out to rest at room temperature for 1 to 2 hours. You can refrigerate it for a couple of hours or leave it out at room temperature for about 2 hours and then make the Graffe from it straight away. Now, how are we gonna make Graffe? Of course, since it's kind of like a donut, so we are going to fry it in oil. Now, you can use sunflower oil, rapeseed oil, or anything, you know, which is suitable for fry. We need to make sure that the dough is well risen, nice, light and easy. That's why I suggest to use a dough with Poolish instead of using a direct dough. So more holes and more lightness inside there. And of course, mucho, I mean plenty flavors enough of the dough. And let's make this goddamn good dessert. So come with me. Since we talked about the pizza, and since I told you that we're gonna use something with Poolish, you know, this is the pizza dough exactly which I have made in advance already. I'm not going to show you again because we already done it several times, so just please follow our previous videos. If you have any questions, any comments, don't be shy, write it under the videos. I will make sure that we will be answering them shortly, and I will try to answer every single question that you guys ask. If you have any comments, we are also always open for it. But enough of the talk, let's bake some Graffe. In the meantime, we're gonna do a little bit of preparation. I put some caster sugar into the bowl here, and then I'm just gonna add some vanilla flavored sugar as well. So a little bit of vanilla, you can use a vanilla pod as well, alternatively. And then just mix it into the sugar, or caster sugar, granulated. Granulated sugar I would not use because it's too big, the granules, so caster sugar would be ideal. And then just nice, easily mix it together. Then we're gonna take the dough balls and then we're gonna make our preparation for, let's say, the donuts, yet we're still using the pizza dough for it. So watch me. Now, apart from the caster sugar, we're gonna need some round cutters. You're gonna need a small one, of course, for the middle, and then depending on the size, how big you want your donut for, you need one for the outside as well. At the beginning, we're gonna go almost the same way like we will be doing it with the pizza as well. I'll just take it out, a little bit push it down. Yep, you know, I try to make sure that we keep the thickness exactly the way as it is. And then, I don't want too much excess flour on it. Take the cutter. Okay, put that there for now. Of course, alternatively, you could think that we are wasting the outer part of the dough, but we don't actually, because I'm gonna use it in the restaurant for a bar snack, which is a gnocco fritto, and we use it and we are almost good. So I'm gonna prepare, you know, my mise en place for it. I'm gonna need a spider, basically a hook-shaped spoon, a slotted spoon, you know, which I'm gonna be able to turn the donuts inside the oil, and then I need something where I'm gonna take it out. So I'm gonna take a griddle, I'm gonna let them to drip down after. Let's do the preparation quickly, and then let's bake these donuts. You want to make sure that you fry them until they're golden brown. Need to make sure it takes about 3 to 5 minutes roughly for frying them. You know, you need to make sure that they're cooked through properly. And you can hear it's nice and hollow, then you know that they are done. Yeah, put it there for now. And then let's go for the next one. Alright, and now we're gonna dust them with the sugar. So what we're gonna do, it's very simple, very easy. We take the donut, we dip it in the sugar. Okay. And the excitement starts now, because when you think it's all over, the game has just begun. 2, 3. Okay. Now, I got some pistachio cream here. This is something very, very similar, I would say, to Nutella, yet, you know, it's not made with hazelnuts. It is a paste that's made with pistachios. I got some toasted pistachio seeds. They look pretty. Ooh. Perfectly cooked through. Fantastic. Nice and soft. Should we taste it? Oh yeah. You see, there's plenty of ways to utilize a pizza dough. If you want to make graffe, you make graffe. You want to make a sandwich, you make a sandwich. You want to make pizza, you make a pizza. Yeah, it's only up to your imagination. But sorry, I can't talk anymore. It's just damn too good to speak. The only thing it's missing is some whipped cream. But otherwise, it's brilliant.